Dear friends, welcome to online classes Pharmacy Lecture Notes. Today we are going to discuss Pharmacology D Pharm second year distribution of drugs. And here also we are using Odia language so that it is easy to understand for all. First syllabus, various process of absorption of drug and factor affecting them. Next, metabolism, distribution and excretion of drugs. Out of this, today we are going to discuss the distribution part. And main objective of this video to understand and describe the process by which drugs are distributed throughout the body. So this is our main objective to uploading this video, like how the drug is distributed throughout the body, what are the process involved in it. So to understand, describe the process by which drugs are distributed throughout the body. So first discuss about the definition. Drug distribution means the reversible transfer of drug from one location to another within the body. What is the meaning of reversible? That means the chemical changes or materials is involved or it reverse from the same position or the previous one. So the drug distribution means reversible transfer of drug from one location to another within the body. Once a drug is entered into the systemic circulation, we have already studied that when the drug is absorbed, it is reaches to the systemic circulation. So it becomes distributed throughout the body or various tissue. So either in a physiochemical nature of the drug and easy with which it penetrates different membranes. So drug distribution pattern. What are the different patterns involved in distribution of drug? The drug may remain largely within the vascular system. What is the meaning of largely within the vascular system? That means drug remains the huge amount within the systemic circulation. Obviously after absorption, drug is circulate throughout the body through systemic circulation. So huge amount of drugs are remain in this systemic circulation, that means in blood. One example, plasma substitute such as dextran and drugs which are strongly bound to the plasma protein. That means some drugs are strongly bound. Most of the drugs are bound in plasma, where in the systemic circulation blood is present. Blood contains plasma and formed elements. So whatever the drug absorbed, it is bound with the plasma. So huge amount of drug present within the systemic circulation. This is the one pattern of drug distribution. Another one, some are uniformly distributed throughout the body, like low molecular weight water soluble drug. Some drugs are water soluble, so they are uniformly distributed, like ethanol. And some few drugs are concentrated specifically in one or more tissue that are may or may not be the site of action, like iodine, chloroquine. They are more concentration in their specific target organ. And most of the drug exhibit non-uniform distribution up in the body, means largely determined by the ability to pass through the membrane and lipid or water soluble. So the highest concentration is present in the kidney, liver and intestine. Mean most of the drugs are non-uniform distribution, or through the they are passed through the membrane either lipid solubility or water soluble. That means water soluble, lipid soluble drugs are passes through mainly non-uniform distribution method. So this is the four different pattern of drug distribution. So first definition कौन बुझिले ना drug distribution माने होची reversible transport of drug means there is no material is involved in reversible किछि तार पूर्व अवस्था को फेरी आसीबो transfer of drug from one location to another within the body गोटे जगारू आउ गोटे जगह को से जीव देयर इज नो चेंज किछि भी चेंज हबो नाही ड्रग रो सेटा को कहला ड्रग डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन जदि से चेंज होची आइदर इट मे बी मेटाबोलाइज्ड और एक्सक्रिएशन जदि किछि चेंज होची इट इज डिफरेंट बट इन ड्रग डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन देयर इज नो चेंज ट्रांसफर रे किछि चेंज हबो नाही सपोज गोटे ड्रग हमें आईएम इंजेक्शन देलु आईएम इंजेक्शन दे देलु सी सिस्टमिक सर्कुलेशन रे पहुंचला सो जो सिस्टमिक सर्कुलेशन रे एब्जॉर्ब हैला परे सपोज हाथ रे देलु इंजेक्शन टा हाथ रु एब्जॉर्ब हैला सो गोड़ को जीवा भितरे थ्रू द सिस्टमिक रूट सिस्टमिक सर्कुलेशन देयर इज नो चेंज सो सेही जो प्रोसेस टा को कहबो ड्रग डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन जदि ड्रग टा यूज हे जिवो वंस इट इज यूज्ड और जदि तार मेटाबोलाइज हे जिवो बा तार किछि केमिकल चेंज हबो ताल ताकू हमें डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कहि परिबा नाही तो कौन डेफिनेशन ड्रग डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मीन्स द रिवर्सिबल ट्रांसपोर्ट देयर इज नो चेंज इन द ट्रांसपोर्ट of drug from one location to another location गोटे जगह आ गोटे जीवा भितरे किछि भी चेंज हबो नाही ताकू हमें कहबा ड्रग डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन डिफरेंट पैटर्न कौन कहली ना विदिन द भास्कुलर विदिन द सिस्टमिक सर्कुलेशन विदिन द सिस्टमिक सर्कुलेशन जेतले गोटे ड्रग एब्जॉर्ब होची सिस्टमिक सर्कुलेशन रे से विदिन द सर्कुलेशन ही रहउची बट मोस्ट ऑफ द ड्रग बाउंड टू द प्लाज्मा जो सिस्टमिक सर्कुलेशन रे जो ब्लड रहिला ब्लड रे प्लाज्मा रे मिक्स हे गला तेणु द ड्रग मे रिमेन लार्जली ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ ड्रग्स आर बाउंड और प्रेजेंट इन द प्लाज्मा or within the systemic circulation. So in this way, this is the one pattern of drug distribution. Out throughout the body. Throughout the body, se distribute he jauchi. Ko drug guda mainly water soluble drug like ethanol, sulfonamide. So these group of drug are distributed throughout the body. How? Because it easily low. These are all low molecular drug and easily soluble in the water. So it is uniformly distributed throughout the body. So this is the another pattern of drug distribution. First pattern present within the systemic circulation or vascular system. Second throughout the body or the low molecular weight water soluble drug. Second, fewer drugs are concentrated specifically in one or more tissue means they are targeted like iodine drugs. Iodine are mainly targeted in the thyroid gland. Chloroquine are targeted in the liver. Tetracycline are irreversibly bound to the teeth or bone. So they are specifically target specific tissue or specific organ. So it is another type of drug distribution or few drugs are targeted specific to the tissue or organ like iodine, chloroquine. So it is another type of distribution. So most of the drug are non-uniform. That means it is not reaches every parts of the body or it is not distributed equally in the every parts of the body. Non-uniform distribution mainly largely determined or lipid soluble drugs. The highest concentration are often present in the kidney, liver and intestine. So lipid soluble drugs are mainly in the kidney, liver and intestine. Now comes to the next then factor. What are the different factors affecting in drug distribution? Means blood flow, capillary permeability, drug factor, binding of the drug. What is the drug blood flow? Now the rate of blood flow to the tissue capillary varies widely. As a result, unequal distribution of cardiac output to the various organs. Blood flow to the brain, liver, kidney is greater than that of skeletal muscle, adipose tissue. So has still lower rate of blood flow. कौन कहला ना ब्लड फ्लो जो अनुसार हुए से अनुसार ड्रग डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टा हुए. दैट मीन्स not in equally every parts of the body drug distributed equally. That means जो drug टा distribute होची after absorption not equally every parts of the body. Why? ना blood flow जो होची it vary to the parts of the body, like brain को, liver को, kidney को अधिक blood supply होता है as compared to skeletal muscle or adipose tissue. तेणु ब्लड रे जेहेतु ड्रग टा रहिला से ब्लड फ्लो जुआडे जेतिकी परिमाण रे हबो ड्रग टा भी फ्लो सेतिकी परिमाण रे हबो. So it not uniformly distributed throughout the body. It may vary. So the rate of blood flow in the tissue capillary varies widely. The result is unequal distribution. Why? Due to cardiac output to the various organs. That means blood flow to the brain, liver, kidney is greater as compared to skeletal muscle, adipose tissue. मसल को जी ब्लड जाए लिवर को बा किडनी को बा ब्रेन को अधिक ब्लड जाए तेणु ड्रगटा जेहेतु ब्लड रे अच्छी बा सिस्टमिक सर्कुलेशन रे अच्छी बा कार्डियक आउटपुट रु बाहर से ऑटोमेटिकली यही ऑर्गन गुडा को जोठी अधिक ब्लड जाउची ड्रग भी अधिक जीव. सो दिस इज द रीजन और affect the distribution of blood. So blood flow affect the distribution of drug. Now comes to the second point, capillary permeability. Capillary permeability is determined by capillary structure and by the chemical nature of the drug. Capillary permeability कौन बुझुची ना जो सेल मेम्ब्रेन रे कैपिलरी गुडा को रही बा प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन रे हाउ द ड्रग पासेस थ्रू इट जदि सेगुडा को टाइटली बाइंड होइथिबे द जंक्शन बिटवीन द सेल ताले कोन हम ड्रग टा पास करिया पई प्रॉब्लम हो. So the capillary are typically lined with the endothelium whose cells overlap through a lesser degree of epithelial cell. Also the junction between the cells are discontinuous. So the capillary wall are quite permeable. So capillary permeability also affect the distribution of drug. Now comes to the drug factor. Ko drug affect the distribution of drug. Suppose good drug lipid solubility. Lipid solubility drug can easily cross the membrane because the cell membrane is made up of phospholipid. यदि सेल मेम्ब्रेन टा लिपिड रे तैयारी हेतिबो ताले जो ड्रग टा लिपिड सॉल्युबिलिटी से इजीली इट soluble or absorb in the cell membrane or crosses the cell membrane. So lipid solubility or non-ionized drug can easily cross the cell membrane. Why? As the cell membrane is made up of phospholipid. And water soluble drug cannot cross the cell membrane. So remain mostly extracellular fluid. The water soluble drug गुड़ा को extracellular fluid रे deposit हेता भी. क्योंकि it is not crosses the cell membrane. Similarly, molecular weight, low molecular weight drug easily passes. High molecular drugs like albumin cannot cross the cell capillary of the membrane. Similarly, pK of the drug or pH of the media, more dissociation, less crossing membrane. So, ionization drug गुड़ा को blood is slightly alkaline, acidic, low pK drug will be ionized more and less crossing the membrane. So basic low pK drug will be ionized less and more crossing the membrane. That means low pK drugs or low ionization drug, ionized drug are processed because blood or pH टाको alkaline. You know, easily passes the drug. So that means these are the drug factor, how the drug is passes. Either it is lipid soluble or low molecular weight or low ionization drug. So these are the factor also involved the distribution of drug. Now comes to the binding of drug. Either it may be plasma binding or tissue binding. So binding of plasma binding drug, when the drug appears in the circulation or reaches in the circulation, a fraction of drug molecule bind with the plasma protein. किछि drug molecule plasma protein सहित like albumin सहित bind हेबे, another fraction remain free, आउ किछि freely घुरी बुलिबे blood circulation रे. So there is always an equilibrium between bound and free drug concentration. Drug with more plasma binding have less volume of distribution. Obviously जदि drug टा जाय कि plasma सहित bind हे गला, जदि more bind हे गला ताले volume of distribution obviously कमी जे. So greater 95% of the bound warfarin like drugs are having above 95% plasma protein binding, and furosemide and thyroxine drug are above 99% of the plasma protein binding. That means furosemide or thyroxine drugs are always present in the systemic circulation or the blood. Above 99% of the drugs are plasma protein binding and very less volume of distribution. So most of the drugs are binding in the plasma protein. What are the plasma protein? Like albumin, alpha 1 acid glycoprotein and lipoprotein. These are the three plasma are responsible for binding of drugs like albumin, alpha 1 acid glycoprotein and lipoprotein. So plasma protein binding of the drug are always equilibrium or remains as reservoir of the drug. When free drug are decreased and bound drug become free and maintain the equilibrium, only free drug are active, metabolized and excreted. कौन कहला? Now when the drug is absorbed, जेतले absorption हुए drug टाको कोठी जिवो systemic circulation रे. systemic circulation रे कौन अछि ना blood अछि, blood रे plasma अछि, से plasma सहित जाय कि bind हबो कि drug टा कोगुडा को plasma ना albumin, alpha 1 acid glycoprotein और lipoprotein. These are the three plasma responsible for the drug binding. bind हला परे सब drug bind हबोनी, किछि drug कोन हबो ना freely रहिबो. से फ्री ड्रग गुड़ाक कौन करती ना एक्शन देखई थांती. जेतले ई फ्री ड्रग टा कमी कमी जीवो, यूज्ड हे जीवो, मेटाबोलाइज्ड हे जीवो, सेतबेले से कोन हबो ना ताको मेंटेन करिया पई, इक्विलिब्रियम मेंटेन करिया पई से जो बाइंडिंग ड्रग रु पुनी फ्री हबो. So when the free drug concentration is decreased, bound drug become free and maintain the equilibrium. एवं ओनली फ्री ड्रग जोटा को फ्री ड्रग थाए बाइंड प्लाज्मा प्रोटीन रे बाइंड हला पर ड्रग टा को एक्टिव न थाए, माने ड्रग रो किछि एक्शन हमें पाई परिबा नहीं. सो व्हेन द फ्री ड्रग आर एक्टिव, मेटाबोलाइज्ड एंड एक्सक्रिएटेड. सो टिश्यू बाइंडिंग प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द ड्रग कोन हो ना किछि ड्रग अछंती जोडा प्लाज्मा प्रोटीन बाइंडिंग, बट किछि भी अछन जोडा टिश्यू सहित बाइंडिंग हेबे. सम ड्रग रैपिडली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन द स्पेसिफिक टिश्यू एंड रिमेन्स एक्युमुलेटेड देयर, लाइक tetracycline to the bone or phenobarbital to the brain. चुन जाइगी ब्रेन रो सेल सहित बा नर्व सेल सहित न्यूरॉन सहित जाइगी बाइंड हेबे, बा क्लोरप्रोमाजाइन टू द आई, बा क्लोरोक्विन टू द किडनी. they are readily distributed to their specific target organ or tissue. So tissue binding property of the drug. Next, blood brain barrier. Blood brain barrier a volume of distribution, there is a chances 2 mark question from drug distribution part. Till now there is No long question come from this chapter. So you have to prepare accordingly. 2 mark question blood brain barrier and another one volume of distribution. So blood brain barrier, to enter the brain, drug must pass through the endothelial cell of the capillary of the central nervous system. So specific transporter for the larger neutral amino acid carry levodopa into the brain. See, a solute may enter into the brain either may passive diffusion through lipoidal barrier or may active transport method. Like sugar, amino acid, as a rule, only lipid soluble non-ionized form of the drug can penetrate more easily to the brain. See in the figure how the tight junction in the brain capillary, basement membrane, lipid soluble polar drug, lipid soluble non-polar drug are passes through the brain. This is the endothelial layer. So passive diffusion process रे drug टाक brain को जाई थाई और active transport of essential nutrient like sugar and amino acid. Mainly lipid soluble drug are passes through the brain. So ionized or polar drug generally fail to enter into the central nervous system because they are unable to pass through the endothelial cell. So polar drug by ionized drug are fail to enter the central nervous system. Why? Because the tightly juxtaposed cells are tight junction that contribute so called blood brain barrier. ताकू ही blood brain barrier बोली कुहा जाए जो tight junction ही थे को juxtaposed सेल गुड़ाको जो tightly bind ही थे तेणु सबु ड्रग ब्रेन को पास करी पारे नाही. So this is blood brain barrier. Now comes to the volume of distribution. Volume of distribution means the amount of fluid in which administered drug is distributed. कौन कहला जो वॉल्यूम रे the amount of fluid in which administered drug is distributed. Suppose volume of fluid जदि 100 लीटर नबा यदि 100 लीटर नबा ड्रग दबा हमें केते 100 mg सिस्टमिक सर्कुलेशन को रीच करिवो तल तार वॉल्यूम ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन केते सी द फॉर्मूला डोज ऑफ द ड्रग गिवन वर्सेस कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ द ड्रग इन प्लाज्मा तले 1 mg पर लीटर. So volume of distribution 100 by 1 is equal to 100 liter. The volume of distribution is known as apparent volume of distribution is used to quantify the distribution of drug between plasma and rest of the body after oral or parenteral dosing. It is called apparent volume because all parts of the body equilibrated with drug do not have equal concentration. आगु पढ़िले जे इक्वाली ड्रग टा डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हुए नाही इट डू नॉट हैव इक्वल कंसंट्रेशन रहिबो नाही तार को अनुसार ना तार कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ ड्रग प्लाज्मा से ऑर्गन रो बा से बॉडी पार्ट रो जो ड्रग प्लाज्मा कंसंट्रेशन और कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ ड्रग प्लाज्मा अनुसार तार volume of distribution ta heithibo. So the volume of distribution is also known as apparent volume of distribution. It is the quantify the distribution of drug between plasma and rest part of the body. 2 mark question ase volume of distribution or blood brain barrier. This is all about your drug distribution part. A quick recap. First definition, how the reversible transfer of drug from one location to another location. This is the definition. There is no change of drug from one location to another location. It is easily reaches through the drug distribution process. Now what are the patterns? 4 patterns are involved, like within the vascular system, throughout the body of the water, or site of action, or non-uniform distribution in the body. And what are the different factors are involved? in drug distribution, blood flow, capillary permeability, drug factor and binding of the drug. So, and lastly, blood brain barrier and volume of distributions for 2-mark question answer. This is all about your volume of drug distribution part. Thank you for watching this video. We are planning next metabolism and excretion of drug. Thank you.